And you are the tourist.
Yeah.
And I'm the blogger.
He's my bro.
What?
They're only charging me 50,000 rupees.
Only 50,000
$500
rupees just for the trek.
That's a steal.
And we have our fellow mates. The cocaine mafia. We but haters go like, hey daddy.
Come on, trooper. So yesterday they took a picture of us on a horse. And I thought it costed 120 rupees, but now my guide is telling me that they said $120, so I owe him $120. We're going to a dam.
We are going to Canicut.
Canicut.
Canada. Cut from Canada.
हाँ कनाडा से कनाडा से काटे और यहाँ डाल दिए
Yes.
वाह
Canada cut.
No. Any name of the
तो जो बोल रहे थे आप कनाडा जा रहे हैं
No,
यहाँ
name of the person Annie and you
This
have
is
to
the
cut
real
her.
Canada where I'm going to.
This is the Canada that gave you the PR, right?
Yes.
Because the real Canada wouldn't give you one.
Bro, what do you think? You think I
But
have a
Boston का याद
desi?
है?
हाँ, you think I have a desi?
You remember your Boston
Oh yeah,
rhyme?
सब याद है. 18 years I was in Boston.
Boston.
Sure. Most of my life.
अरे अभी 4 साल से ये टेक्सास में हूँ bro तो.
Yeah.
Boston
during
is
COVID,
like
COVID.
Bandra for you, you know, your home.
Yeah,
Hometown.
born and
Yeah.
brought up
अच्छा
in
तो अभी
Bandra.
4 दिन से ये मुर्गी बकरे के साथ हो तुम.
ये लोग के साथ. ये हो
फिर फाली है ये लोग.
funny है हाँ बहुत funny है.
लोग कुछ भी करते हैं ये लोग.
This is real
Zoom नजदीक से लो उसको.
real India right here. Oh. गुस्सा है.
नहीं भी मैंने GoPro आता ना भी देखी ना अभी क्यों गई हो अभी जमान बनी गई ना अभी
ये पूरे drawings ये राजपूत like
हाँ
Yeah,
राजपूत
they do.
महाराणा वाराणा की ड्राइंग है
हाँ अच्छे है वो.
और राजपूत लोग की मेन तो ये मूछ राजस्थानी देखोगे ना तो
हाँ।
मूछ का अलग ही है वो लोग
mustache
मुस्टैच दे लाइक
मेरे को भी होना है.
तुम सर काट लो वो लोग लेकिन मुस्टैच मत काटो. हाँ तुम्हारे को भी ऐसी राजस्थानी मूछ चाहिए ब्रो.
हाँ every few weeks में shave करता है इसी.
नहीं तो जो शेव करते हो ना ब्रो
Left में जाओ ना कि
तो
ऊपर
बस
चढ़ो।
इधर लिप्स से निकालते रहने का तो इधर 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 ग्रो होते रहेंगे.
No, there is no
ट्राई कर
underwater.
ट्राई
No
कर.
water. नीचे सूख गया है पूरा. जमीन सूख गई. नहीं है.
हाँ भाई रामा टाइम पास ऐसा करवा दे मैं खबर है ही नहीं यार.
लेकिन पानी आवेगा तो मजा आएगा.
ट्रैकिंग
I'm the tourist.
एंड यू आर द टूरिस्ट
Yeah.
एंड आई एम द ब्लॉगर.
Yeah, he's my vlogger.
What's
my
up?
cameraman. Please don't show your face.
What's up?
Otherwise my views will go down.
He does not know that if I show my faces views will increase.
You know you're showing, but at that angle you're showing your chin like this. People are gonna see your. I apologize to all the viewers.
I apologize to all the viewers.
Rubber band. Rubber band. Rubber band.
Water trek. I'm already tired. Already 50 kilometers in. Still counting. We have been walking since morning 5 a.m.
To anyone watching, I'm looking for a new cameraman who's a bit more fit and who can keep up.
This is the food. And apologies, the camera was turned upside down. I changed position. It was like this.
And zoomed in.
Zoomed in.
Every
I
10
changed it.
seconds, the viewers are turning their head.
We have been walking since 5 a.m. in the morning, and our guides have brought us to some place where there's a dead end.
Nowhere.
There is nothing else. There is no person. Nothing to eat, nothing to drink. We don't even have water. We have been depleted of all our resources. And now
I'm very suspicious of these guys. They're dragging these American tourists out into the wilderness.
Yes.
And they disappear.
see fake scorpions, Indian scorpions. And
इसका तो जब खून चूसेगा ना कैनेडा तो मालूम पड़ेगा.
we have come to a point where I don't see anything or anyone. Only a fake tourist and a fake guide and this American tourist. You see the smiling American tourist.
Yes.
His face.
about
But
to say
he is
So-
smiling right now
I
because
don't know what they're saying. They're speaking in some language, some Indian language. I heard the word loot, but I'm not sure what that means.
he is
And,
smiling right now because he
they're
does not know what's going to happen with him. But these but the Indian guides are well aware. You see that lake over there? No, it's still quite far. But
I
let's see,
only have
that's our first water resource that we have seen since morning 5 a.m. We have been very thirsty.
run towards
We will be sending this American tourist for a swim.
Yeah,
And
I'm very
beautiful.
excited. They're only charging me 50,000 rupees. So
Only 50,000
$500.
rupees just for the trek.
it's a steal.
It's a steal deal.
हाँ अभी जो
अच्छा सामने भैंस पाप भैंस आ रही है
We're trying to find the dam.
And we are
This guide-
we are in the middle of nowhere.
This guide said he was very experienced, but he's FaceTiming his friend to see where to go. So, but I'm still hopeful and I trust him. It must be like 38, right? It's
this temperature 35
35.
30 32 also
31.
yeah because you don't know 35 will be like you cannot walk also
No, it's 31.
31 is fine
I trust my iPhone.
Yeah, these are the new fake iPhones that have been released
So this
in
is the
India.
This is the Icon 15 Pro Max.
Yeah.
It's a replica of the iPhone called Icon.
Yeah.
Although the name includes con, but still it's not a fake or a con. It's just a replica of the original. And we have our fellow mates. This is the first life form that we have seen since a while, since we have been walking. There wasn't any sign of any life or anything, but since we have seen these buffaloes, yes, we can survive. We can get back. But I'm not sure whether this American tourist would go back.
What do you mean?
God's plan. You never know what's God's plan.
We're in Mexico now?
Yes, and soon,
Right. Yeah, Mexico
Yeah.
is like to the left of India or something, right?
and soon we are going to meet
That's
a
what they taught me
cartel
in
over
school.
there. So we are in, India's Mexico, where we are going to meet Diablo Escobar. So Diablo is waiting for us. Diablo is the brother of Pablo.
No, Deepak Escobar.
So sorry, Diablo is his international name, but in real his name is Deepak Escobar. And this American tourist, and this American tourist, now he has come to know that we are taking him to meet Deepak Escobar. So his mood has changed now. he is now thinking of some businesses to do. Look at this boy.
What is this?
He's already smelling the cocaine plants over here.
Yeah, drug.
He's already checking the quality of the cocaine
what the
and drug. The guide is telling that she will be putting some cocaine in the chai. And we'll give it to this American tourist for testing at Deepak's plant.
This guy, he's gonna open up his own YouTube channel. What is it gonna be called?
It's going to be called
Whatever it is.
Not Your Daily Vlogs.
Yeah, After Daily Vlogs. So just
Or
make
whatever.
sure to unsubscribe and unfollow and dislike.
But to unsubscribe and unfollow, you all need to first subscribe and follow.
Yes, sir.
बस खेल आयो तो मेरे तो क्या पता
Now the real guide is here. This guy was a scammer in the pink shirt.
The real guide is here. the one in the pink t-shirt was just
Yeah, he just saw
decoy.
two tourists and he thought, oh, let me try to get some money off of them.
नहीं मैं बेटा
नहीं आप बैठिए.
तुमको लाओ तो राइड मिलेगा
अच्छा.
हाँ,
राइड
ये-
मिलेगा
where we part ways and he goes to the parks next.
I do not need your services.
के साइड में से कचरा आ गया तो पानी थोड़ा सा गंदा है।
बारिश नहीं हो रही ना इसीलिए
बारिश नहीं बारिश
जम
उसके इधर थोड़ा लीकेज हो गया तो इधर लीकेज से वापस पानी निकल जाएगा।
ये डैम का नाम क्या है?
एनीकट बोलते हैं, एनीकट इधर।
एनीकट।
छोटा सा ये
Oh. So this is a dam in Binder that we just came for time pass. It's pretty. Huh? They're scared that I will fall because there's a bit of a slope here, so and to a death drop.
The American tourist has returned after meeting the cocaine mafia. He was with us for at least half the way, half the route.
So
And then, as you
are
know,
we leaving now?
so
Are we leaving?
I guess he wants to sit and have tea and coffee with Deepak
I mean, I
Escobar.
thought 50,000 rupees we would stay here for at least an hour, but they basically told me, okay, go on that dam, and they were telling me to jump off on the left side too. And I said, are you sure? Is it safe? They said, yeah, it's safe. Don't worry. They said, leave your wallet, phone, everything here, and just jump, and we'll come and get you later. But you know, I said,
A smart American tourist, he got saved.
yeah, I wasn't sure, so I just came back.
But we have plans. We have other plans as well. Like we always have a plan B and a plan C, D, E, F. We have it all the way up to Z. So plan A failed, time for plan B.
In life, you have to spend minimum,
Less time.
yes, less time in the bathroom. Okay.
Look at this noob talking.
Yeah.
This Indian.
Noob, yeah. By noob,
This
it's
is
because
the
I only
pep
spend 5 minutes in the bathroom,
is the
so he
pep
calls me a
talk.
noob. He thinks that advanced level is like 45 minutes.
But he does not know. It's the peace of mind that's important. These people think it's a waste of time. But if you ask multi-billionaires, not even millionaires, speaking of billionaires, so that's the best place to sit and think, so that there is nobody interfering your thoughts.
What
But
about
these people won't
the
understand.
people who are banging on the door? Are they not interfering? Saying "Jaldi niklo."
You just need to learn to ignore at times. That's the key.
That's what makes you successful.
Ignore the naysayers.
Ignore the naysayers. You actually have productive things to do and are being held up by the kid in the back.
But haters gonna hate, and you need to ignore the naysayers and just keep on moving forward. Peace out. Bro, इधर को ना पानी है, dewdrops है.
Yeah, it is formed by the water and some other.
So what is this exactly? Can you please explain for the?
This is after you have a bath, so all that foam is there. So
Yes.
this is just that soap foam.
This is
And,
the foam made by insects.
No.
When the insects have a bath?
Yeah.
I
Or
see.
maybe just somebody might have had a bath at the lake.
It is something different. Leaf,
विशाल को मालूम है कुछ और है. ये
No, I'm a clueless tourist. You guys are my guide.
इसका घर लगता है. टेबल नेस्ट है ये.
It's like a web of an insect.
अबे ये देखो ना.
It's a web.
लेकिन पानी है बची, ये देखो पानी गिरी रहा.
हाँ लेकिन it's a web made.
Is it a web?
ये देखो ना कितना बना है. चलो.
I'm confused now. You just changed your opinion
ये देखो
in 10 seconds.
ये देखो ये. आ जाओ.
You said it was soap and now you're saying it's a web.
ये कौन है?
ये अर्ली मॉर कुछ हुआ पानी का ही फॉर्मेशन है on the plants.
Some chemistry has happened.
Someone explain who's watching. Come on, let's go. Hurry up. Come on, trooper.
RKO.
I thought I heard the word rupees.
No, bro.
So
It was
yesterday.
120, and you only heard the word 120.
Acha, so it's
So, you know,
$120.
$120. Actually, he was saying 120 dinars, but then we got him down to dollars.
Oh wow.
But he wasn't coming down to rupees.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
And
You
but,
saved me a lot of money.
but US dollars, not
So-
Canadian or Australian dollars. Not
So
that.
yesterday they took a picture of us on a horse And I thought it costed 120 rupees, but now my guide is telling me that they
It's
said
$120.
$120, so I owe him $120. Which, you know, I mean, it's still a steal, but I was a little happy that I would only have to pay $1 for this. So,
No.
I mean, now I don't have $120 on me, so I do have 120 rupees though.
Oh no. Then you are trying to bargain with me like you are trying to
told-
a 99% bargain with me.
How about $50?
$50.
Yeah.
No. $115. That's it. I can only get
75.
No. 115. I can only get $5 from my
80,
pocket.
80 or I don't want it.
80.
80?
But I already paid 120. Only because you are a tourist. I am paying money from my pocket. So if you give 80,
Yes, but it's your fault that you didn't tell me. You didn't specify the currency, right?
No,
you should
no,
have
no.
done that.
I thought
then I would have been
euro
prepared.
currency. 120.
Why are you paying dollars in India? Why are you guys-
Because you understand dollars, not rupees.
Yeah, but why did the guide?
You are-
Why did the guy who took the picture? Why is he communicating to you in US dollars?
No, because you are a US
No, but he was talking to you.
tourist. No, so
Acha.
that you understand.
Oh, wow.
Actually, we were speaking to each other in dollars,
Right? Yeah.
and you were over there hearing the conversation.
Acha.
You know, it was meant to make you understand. Because now what happens is, if you weren't a part of the conversation,
Yeah.
you would think I was taking some kind of commission.
Right. So, guys, this is an example of how kind Indians can be.
Yeah.
That they will communicate.
Right in front of you,
Yes.
so that you know that you don't feel like there's some middleman in between who's taking some commission.
Yes.
It is just direct dealing.
Wow.
So he was a part of the direct deal for the horse photo,
Yes.
which costs $120.
Okay.
But he is giving me $80.
All right.
But I already paid $120.
So you
You tell me what should be done now.